Hello again. Thursday night, 8:30 or so. I don't know the exact time, and I don't really care. It is me, your favorite UFOographer, and what do we have here? Some mysterious globe portal, stargate in the sky, changing shape for all of you to see. See, it just changed again. It got smaller. Pressed on my light meter. It got bigger. It responds to that because, as I've stated many times, whatever it is, it sees the light flashing towards it and it changes. Or it's just sensitive to light. But anyway, blue skies tonight, clear for once. I really don't see clouds, but it's probably some misty clouds way up in the sky. But wanted to do a video for all of you. I guess if I was from down south, I'd say for all you all, you know what I mean. Everyone's saying that now, and they're not even from down south, they're from like Canada or somewhere else. Growing up, had a lot of cousins from down south, and they're saying, "You all get snow? What's that like?" Well, you see, it's kind of squishy, and you can make snowballs out of it and throw it at people. And you can make a snow house or Frosty the Snowman. But anyway, it is spring here in the Northeast, and today it was like summer, man. And it's still nice out, real nice. So I can see some misty clouds around it. Yeah, see, it's changing. There we go, it got bigger. But that just proves as clouds because it's less. Okay, this moron's finally taking his high beams elsewhere. This person was facing towards me in their vehicle with their high beams on. And they're from New York. Really surprised. I thought they were from New Jersey. It's a little inside joke about all the great drivers over there. Not. You know? So, it's bigger now. And I'm going to leave the light meter alone, I think. And have it this size the rest of the video. So, like I've said before, anything that can change shape is not a planet. It is not a moon. It is not a space station. It is not a plane or a helicopter. So, what is it? It is something that is pretty freaky. Something that is mysterious. It's always good to get some fresh air. People complain about the New York air. Well, when it's super hot, I can see why. But otherwise, air's just fine, man. Just don't spray those nasty chemtrails. Well, there's a nice breeze hitting me, filling my lungs. I feel great. So, trying to get videos on a more regular basis. That's all weather depending. But for tonight and a lot of nights in a row, I'm gonna have videos for you because I'm tired of these cloudy and rainy days. That really puts a cramp on this channel. And I'll film one tonight, but that's it. And go from there. So, for any of you who love psychic phenomenon, the paranormal, UFOs, you found the right channel. And yet listening to me yapping. Gotta fill the space with something. Sometimes I'll put music to it. Other times it's just narration. Now this sphere in the sky has been in the same exact spot for almost the last week. Now they jump a block or two further away sometimes, and sometimes they don't. Do you see these types of spheres in the sky that don't look like the moon, the sun, or anything else you've ever seen? If you have, I'd like to hear about it. Make contact, leave it in the comments below. Even if you don't believe in it, I welcome all the hate. Bring it on. If I can't have your love, I'll take your hate. Yeah, man. It's all good. Bring it on. Hope all is well with you out there in internet YouTube land. For those of you who are fascinated by UFOs and the paranormal, all you have to do is tune in and watch and hear my commentary on it. It's been a while since I've had like real direct communication with this sphere, and I don't know if it's my friend, my alien friend, the one that's responded to most words that I say. This isn't one of them, but there'll be one of those coming up. With the good weather, I can assure you it'll happen. I was glad I didn't have to walk too far away to film this particular one. Half a block away. from where I live. Ain't that neat? It's like it's out there waiting for me. But at a different spot. This is to the left. Excuse me. Yeah, it's staying pretty constant at this size, which I like. It did get a little blurrier because that just proves there's clouds surrounding it. I can't see them, but that's why it gets blurry. But it's still something unusual and mysterious and worth commenting on, checking out, viewing, whatever you think about it. I heard something nearby. As I've said, also, I do want to start filming other things that I see in the sky. The sky and the sea are the most unknown places on the planet. Did you know? I heard there are 3 other continents they didn't tell us about. Now, this is just from the kooky videos I see, but it is all possible. Or that we live in a computer simulation, or the Earth is flat, or is it we live in a dome and, you can only go so high up in outer space. Okay, here comes another one. Is that a globe? Is that a drone? Is that a plane? Oh, yes. Okay. What happened? The thing just disappeared. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. What is it? I don't think it's a plane. Here's the globe. Did you know that the USA is a corporation? It's not a country like they tell us. It's been a corporation till 1871. Google that if you don't believe me. Just thought you might like that little bit of information. Wouldn't be prudent otherwise. There's a lot of unknown mysteries in the world, a lot of secrets kept from us. And this thing in the sky is just another one of them. You can't visit Area 51. under threat of death. I remember the people that tried to, hundreds of UFOs. A couple years ago, they tried to, in the fall, they tried to just jump security and just run in there like a herd of buffalo. And I don't know, I think they threatened to like shoot them if they moved further or something like that. No, they couldn't be hiding anything. I heard there's like hybrids are experiencing on aliens in a tube. It's like one of those crazy X-Files episodes. It was such a great show in the 90s. But I'm into all that weird, wacky stuff. Just an observer. Don't come after me, I'm just curious. So folks, with all that said and done, glad to be out here again. I think I'll be posting this tonight before I go to Betty Bye, and do have an early appointment, gotta get up early. And thanks for tuning in, always appreciate it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and even share. Get the word out. Tell your friends about strange sights in the sky. And that'll be about it. Signing out. See you in the next video.